We're going to review the top 5 best carpet cleaner machine, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. This cleaner is your carpet's new best friend. This full-size machine deep cleans and works on stairs, upholstery, and can even tackle pet hair. One of this Bissell's innovative features is a targeted spray nozzle for stains. It works with just the press of a pedal and without having to stop, bend down, and use a separate product. The 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool works dry to pull out stubborn pet hair and wet to zap stains on furniture, fabrics and mattresses. Carpet machines of the past have been bulky, but this one is lightweight and gets a high five from the GH Cleaning Lab for its brush roll cover that removes for cleaning. Number 2. Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Smartwash automatic carpet cleaner machine eliminates the guesswork with automatic cleaning technology that makes carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. Simply push forward to clean, pull back to dry. No multiple buttons. No solution measuring. No hassle. Just seriously simple, seriously powerful. Remove deep down embedded dirt with flex force power brushes. Plus, Auto Mix precisely mixes and dispenses the correct amount of solution for optimal cleaning, while Auto Dry powerfully extracts water with heat force for an even faster drying time. Number 3. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser 2003T. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser is a super easy to use carpet stain remover as well as a dry and wet vac. This seal holder works indoors but is also easy to use on car seats and anything else on the go. Not only is it cordless, but the battery lasted 18 minutes in our tests. That's surely enough time to get out those stubborn stains. We applied grape juice and coffee to white carpet and the eraser removed them easily. It even got rid of stains that had been there for over a month. It is effective at getting rid of icky pet stains like urine, vomit, or feces. Number 4. Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3. If you're really serious about carpet cleaning, the Rug Doctor is the next best thing to a professional cleaning. The rental option is best if you don't want to own, or don't have adequate storage space. If you purchase it, you get a hose and attachments for cleaning stairs and upholstery along with cleaning formulas. When you rent, everything is purchased separately. The Rug Doctor has earned the highest rating from the Carpet Rug Institute, the trade organization of the carpet industry, for soil removal, water removal, and gentleness. It only works on the backward stroke. Number 5. Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Carpet Cleaner. This is the original model in Bissell's Proheat 2X Revolution range. It makes light work of most cleaning tasks, whether you're looking to clean the whole carpet or give the sofa a long overdue refresh. We saw brilliant results on our carpet with around 80% of stains removed after a few sweeps. Deeper stains needed slightly more work, but the carpet was left damp rather than wet, while the machine also lifted the carpet pile to make the whole carpet look new.